Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are good and healthy. Allah bless you. Always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much, viewers, for watching my all videos and supporting me. I am very happy to say this. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Suddenly you can see, friends, in this video we are providing you most trending and classical designs of Crochet women shoes decor designs and ideas. So viewers, please don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end, because in this video you will see stunning and unique Crochet women shoes designs. I hope you will love these beautiful designs. Crochet shoes provides gentle soft fabric against the skin. Breathability. Crochet allow for airflow, reducing sweats and discomfort. Feasibility. Crochet shoes adapt to foot shape, ensuring a comfortable fit. Unique designs. Crochet shoes offers one-of-kind handmade styles, customizable choices, colors, yarns, and the patterns to match personal taste. Elegant touch. Crochet lace and the integrated patterns add elegance. Durability. Well-made crochet shoes can last off air. Easy care machines, washables and dryable. Visibility is suitable for crystal dresses on the beach wear occasions. Custom-made crochet shoes can provide sport, natural materials, choose organized, chemical-free yarns, anti-magical. Some yarns have confidence booster wearing handmade unique shoes. Personal experience. Crochet shoes reflect personal styles, handmade love, each stitch and the depends care and attention. Sandals and flip-flop, butterflies, ankle bots, inspired shoes, cotton and cotton blend, wool and bottle blends, bamboo and silk, single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, triple crochet, broomstick, lace crochet. Be sure fit actually choose suitable yarns, weight and the home size. Crochet women's shoes offers comfort, styles and the personality, making them a wonderful additions of any wardrobe. Use study stole and then seize black finish shoes for professional finish. So we will share this video with your family and friends who want these types of designs and ideas. I really hope that they will love these beautiful designs. Different people have different choices and they love different types of designs and ideas. So in this video you will see different themes and trending designs. Select your favorite design and apply on your shoes for outstanding looks. Thank you, viewers, for watching the video. Especially for those people who searching these types of most trending designs, they will get new designs and new ideas related to your crochet. So viewers, if you all love these articles and if you want more types of designs and ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon from the new and latest update. Be connected with me, friends, and remember me in your prayers. See you soon. Take care and Allah Hafiz.